Excel has a hidden superpower, but most users never use it. If you want to perform regression analysis, histograms, or statistical data analysis in Excel, you need something called Data Analysis ToolPak. But here is the problem. In many Excel installations, this tool is hidden by default. That's why you may not see the Data Analysis button in the Data tab. Let's unlock it in less than a minute. Open Microsoft Excel and then click File. Next, go to Options and then select Add-ins. At the bottom, choose Excel Add-ins and click Go. Now, simply check Analysis ToolPak and then press OK. That's it. Now go to the Data tab and you will see the Data Analysis tool appear. And just like that, Excel is now ready for powerful statistical and engineering data analysis.